YouTube, what's the deal with it, man? It's your boy Cody Mar, the one and only. Y'all seen the last video, we got the car running, but we had some issues with the car. Oh, look at that. Don't y'all see that thing right there? Ooh wee. Thing looking good though. Y'all see we got the manifold off. In the last video, we were trying to figure out why the injectors kept leaking. We put some brand new 1050s in there. Those end up leaking also. So we pretty much found the issue. It was the injector. Besides that, we're finna just fix up a couple more things, getting ready for Texas 2K. Content's gonna be going crazy, man. We got a couple cars from the camp going. So you already know how it's gonna get with that. My guy also fixed up some wiring for me. So if you guys been staying tuned to the channel, we went to Texas about 2 years ago. We got a field system installed. Basically, that shit was all janky. The dude took 7 days to even install the field system. So we were just sitting out there with no car the whole time. So we getting all that fixed up, man. Like I said, my guy Dylan is getting us right. If you guys need any work, man, make sure y'all go check him out. We'll be leaving the Instagram and everything else in the description. Car should be alive soon. We might have some fields stuck in the block, so we're gonna be pushing all that out. And then we're gonna see, man, how she is. Can't wait though, man. Finally finna start it up with some big injectors. Hopefully we get to see some boosts. Got a little couple things we need to do besides that. We had some clock spring issues, so we're gonna probably replace the clock spring. We got the boost controller, which is the boost leash. I don't think I showed you guys any of that stuff yet. We basically just showed y'all the setup that was on the car. Still stock motor, stock trans. We're gonna see what this thing do in Texas, but stay tuned. Check out the intercooler. Sheesh. Thing looking tough under there. Right now, my guys getting them DI injectors in. We thought that was probably the issue, but it, like I said, we tested the 1050s. We had a leak in one of them. Got a brand new one now, so we're gonna see, man. There shouldn't be no more problems. Everybody thinking, man, the car now nothing crazy, not ported manifold, none of that. Stock heads, no porting heads, none of it, man. Still a stock block, same block y'all seen last time. Y'all see you got the Cody Mar on the block. But besides that, we got a couple more little issues, like a couple vacuum lines burnt off. Once we get that repaired, car should be back and running. Content gonna be going crazy, man. I'm telling y'all, this thing gonna be putting work up in Texas, Cali, everything. All right, y'all. Got the car up on the lift now. Take a look, man. Y'all didn't get to get a real good view last time, but take a view of this, man. Sheesh. These things sitting like monkey nuts. Oh yeah, that car gonna go crazy if it fit. We just praying it do.
I'm gonna get it off.
Turbo guards didn't end up fitting, so just putting the intakes back on. Still gotta get this side going, but see, which one look better to y'all? I know which one I think. Gonna do an oil change after all that E was in there.
It's still gonna be all 85 right here. Look at.
And make sure E and oil.
You can see it mixed in.
Wow. That's gonna fill it? It's not gonna overfill?
It might.
You want me to get another bucket for you?
Nah, you're good.
Now. Oh my God. Great thing we didn't drive it like that. Sheesh. We just found out tow truck fucked the fucking bumper up, bro. Nigga broken and zip tied it. Ain't that some shit? Wow, look at that. That shit not barely connected. Out with the old and with the new temporary bumper, man. Shout out to my guy. My guy Junior got me right with the bumper. Check it out though. It's funny because I was just talking shit about people who cut their bumper like this, and now look at me. But I guess what you could say is hard that you see the intercooler. Engine bay view for y'all ain't seen it yet. Get a little closer up. SPE field system. Twin turbo. A little SoCal car. Right now we're just finna cycle some oil through just to make sure we got no more E85 in the system at all. That's no bueno. We got all the oil dumped in. We finna load the new tune up and fire up and see what we got going. All All right, y'all, we loading that tune up. Sheesh. Trying to get it going. Y'all excited or what? Because I am. No rear bumper, but we gonna fix that. Don't even worry. Y'all ready? Running good. It's a little smoky in here from the car, but besides that, everything else look good. We finna take it home, get ready for Texas tomorrow. Gang, check it out, man. Y'all know what it is. We out here getting ready for Texas 2K. Y'all see the band camp out though, man. Got my boy C-Band CT5 Blackwing. My boy Jump. Fastest stock blower Hellcat. Got my little intake only Coyote. You already know what's up with this though, man. Tone. My boy Chris GT500. Y'all ain't see too much of that one, but I promise y'all gonna see what he doing in Texas. We finna be putting in work. Easy. But we got my boy Humble right here, man. We finna load the cars up on the tow truck. I'm ready to blow the doors off this thing right here, man. Y'all see a little snack kitty right here? This motherfucker hot though, cuz.
How you go see God? He heard Tom was looking for. He wrapped that bitch up. I don't blame you, though. I would too.
Oh, the junk start. Not getting shit, but you know that's the daily, so we about to get home with that. I know what it is, band camp, bitch. Oh. Fastest car you ever sat in right here.
Key in here?
Yeah, it's in there.
Damn, why you so short?
Oh, this nigga got me fucked up. This shit is scary, homie. We got insurance, right?
Yeah.
Jeez, man, we really going to Texas, man. Load this motherfucker up. We finna get it cracking.
It really going to a bill though? Huh? You going there all the way?
Yeah, you good. Nigga heart thumping, man.
Yeah.
It's thumping.
What niggas on?
What niggas on? Hold on. What niggas on? You next, cuz.
Right. Give me, my license plate. God damn. Go right a little bit.
this side, Scooter.
Make sure it's straight.
I will scoot this over.
Here's all I say, nigga. This shit low.
I will scoot this over.
Straight. Go down, nigga. Yeah, it's good. Hold on a minute, boy. What the fuck is that? You ain't gonna pop your tire right here? You don't wanna hammer that down?
This nigga told me I'm potato.